Page 110, he's got the whole world in his hands. On page 110, they're introducing you to the primary chords in the key of B flat major. Once again, I would encourage you to just memorize them. Both hands, they're important. The 1 chord, 4 chord, 5/7 chord. You're going to run across them all the time, so just memorize them. It makes it so much easier because you'll recognize the patterns in the music. Oh yeah, okay, I can do that. I like to talk about this piece. This is a fun piece. I like this arrangement very much. It's really a neat arrangement. Starting with the right hand. At the beginning, this is the counting that can get you. Fortunately, we have a help here in that the left hand is playing 8th notes. So it's in common time, so you're going to have to count it 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Remember, common time is 4/4 time. And we have 8th notes, so we do 1 and 2 and things. So right there at the beginning, when the left hand comes in, there at the bottom of page 110, it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Use that as your guide and notice when the right hand plays a note in relation to the left hand notes. For instance, there in that first full measure, right hand has a half note and it plays at the same time as the first 8th note in the left hand. Then whenever the left hand plays the B flat again, then the right hand's going to play the D, and then they're both going to play the next note together. And you can get the rhythm that way too. Next measure, it's here. And just notice in the right hand which note you're playing in the left hand and keep the right hand synced up with it. Better way of doing it, more reliable, is simply to count it 1 and 2 and. So take the last 2 measures of page 110. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and is the reliable way of doing it. Is put the hands together. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. But a fun way of doing it is simply match up when you can between the 2 hands which note is playing what in each hand at when. It works when one hand has regular notes like here 8th notes. Now if the left hand didn't have that so much, you couldn't rely on that so much. Let's go over to page 111. Makes sense since this is 110, 11. And going to start with second line last measure. Now on the right hand you just got the 1 and 2 and 3 and rest and. It's the same basic rhythm throughout. It just repeats it. But the left hand pattern is different. We're not doing this. Now we have a typical boogie-woogie pattern, and you're going to see this a lot, so get it. It's not real convenient in the key of B flat, but it's still, the fingering is basically the same in whatever key you're in. So just watch this. This is the page 111, second line, last measure. Left hand, it's here. 4. Just get that pattern and learn to do it. Over and over and over. It could be in any key, it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter what key it's in, but you're going to get that same pattern with the same fingering in various pieces, especially if you like to do boogie-woogie. You'll get it. Other than that, not a lot to talk about. Roadmap-wise, there is a DCL sign and coda over at bottom of page 111. So we're going to, DCs, go back to the beginning. The sign is the last measure, the top line, first line on page 111. You see the circle and the crosshairs? So when you get to there, you're going to jump down and do the coda, which is the last line. There's a note at the bottom of page 110 saying we can rock the 8th notes. We can swing them, play them uneven. So we're going to do that because typically this piece is played in a swing style. Not necessarily a fast piece, but it's kind of a happy piece. So it's not, you're going to have to feel the tempo. How fast it is depends on how you feel. It's a... That might be me after a few drinks and I'm feeling really good, okay? But typically I'm going to play it a lot slower than that. Today we're going to play it really slow. You can speed it up on your own. 4/4 time, it has a beat and a half pickup. So it's like 1, 2, 3. So I'll give us 3 counts and then we'll come in on end of 3. No pedal. No pedal. We want to kind of bounce along, so have some fun with it. It's not bouncing in the sense of, it's bouncing in the sense of no pedal. Right hand, left hand, okay. 1, and ready, and go.